Participants, actually, this is the last video related with the week 5. Week 5 is enmarked for artificial intelligence tool. We have discussed a lot of a tool. I think those artificial intelligence tools are very relevant and those tools are very significant to your activity. Whatever activity you have, some of the participants may be students, PG students, some of the participants may be research scholars. I think uh, some of the participants are faculty members of higher education institutes. No problem. Whatever may be your need, uh, certainly artificial intelligence tools will help you, but you should use artificial intelligence tools with caution. That is the most important one. As a member of academic community, my humble request to you to please avoid plagiarism. Please use a tool as a calculator, as a computer. You should not replace your creativity, your logical sense, your critical thinking with a tool. If you try to replace your intelligence with the artificial intelligence, that is a problem. Okay, wait. I'm going to share my article to you. Share as. Now you can see. Okay, wait. We already discussed those tools in previous sessions. Wait. Okay. ChatGPT, Gemini AI, we have discussed. ChatGPT as a peer reviewer. Licit as discussion completed. Then you can see another general purpose a tool, that is Toolbot. This AI tool is used for a different type of purposes like paraphrasing, AI detector, grammar checking, AI humanizer. You can use it. AI chat. Then there's another AI tool related with it, that is Toolbot Premium. If you want to use the paid version of the Toolbot, then please use Toolbot Premium AI tool. Okay. Uh, some researchers as a technique, the technique is very simple. First, they will write with the help of Toolbot AI tool. Then they should use Toolbot Humanizer. I am not sure whether it is correct or incorrect, but some researchers try to write articles, research papers, etc. with the help of Toolbot. Then they will humanize the article written by Toolbot or any other AI tool. Humanizer, AI Humanizer is another menu available in Toolbot and other similar tools like NoteGPT. In NoteGPT also, you can see a AI Humanizer menu. Okay. The literature review, connector papers, discussion completed. Uh, then open knowledge maps, discussion completed. Publisher perish, discussion completed. Then Google Scholar, Semantic Scholar, discuss. Scholar C, discuss. You can see the spelling mistake in it. Okay. Citation tools might be discussion completed. Then cite fast, discussion completed. Then Gamma GPT. Then image, you can see if the researcher want to create images, then he or she can use ChatGPT, Gemini AI, or Sara. Those are the very famous artificial intelligence tools that will help you in the image creation. Okay. Then if the researcher want to write feedback on writing assignments, then the researcher can use ChatGPT and Gemini AI. Notebook LM, we have discussed about it. MS Word usage, search, discussion completed. Then yes, next one. YouTube video summarize. Not GPT. Actually, Not GPT is very, very famous. You can apply Not GPT for variety purposes, including you can summarize the YouTube video with the help of Not GPT. Please see the address of Not GPT, website address of the Not GPT. Yes, it's a picture. Then wait, I must share the Not GPT screen to you. I think that is very helpful to you. Stop share. Not GPT. Wait. Not GPT. Yes. Then I may share the screen to you. Not GPT. Yes. You can see I already logged in. Actually, login process in Air Tools is very, very easy. Please, first, please apply sign up and sign in. Otherwise, you can log in with the help of your email ID. I think most of the Air tool will permit you to use your email ID and password for login purposes. That is very easy. Okay. Now you can see different type of menus available. AI YouTube. Under that filter, YouTube video summarizer, YouTube to transcript, YouTube transcript generator, YouTube transcript downloader, YouTube subtitle downloader. Please click YouTube video summarizer and pay and use the website address or YouTube address. Then you can convert YouTube into a summary form. Okay. Then under the filter presentation menu, you can see a PPT maker, a presentation maker, a slide generator, AI keynote generator, AI PPT summarizer, PDF to PPT. Then PDF, AI PDF, chat PDF, PDF summarizer, PDF reader, PDF translator into Malayalam or Tamil or any regional language is possible. Please upload your PDF in English. Then you can translate that PDF into any language. Then PDF to brainrot, PDF to audio, PDF to video. Then PDF converter also. You can see PDF to markdown, PDF to PNG, PDF to Excel, PDF to CSV file, Word to PDF, so many applications, image to PDF. Then AI tool, AI visual generator, video to test, speech to test, AI meeting note. I think there's so many menus are available. I think the Not GPT is like in Malayalam. There's a famous word like Akshay Khani. Yes, Not GPT is like Akshay Khani. Okay. Now I want to show you a simple example. I want to convert my article into audio. Yes, PDF to audio. Then please wait. Please click on PDF to audio. Then upload a file. Yes, upload a file. Article link. Yes, article link. I want to give the article link. This is I want to type my. I have written so many articles in the Tax Guru blog. I want to type any of the article. I want to convert that article into audio format. Okay. Tax Guru, please wait. The 71 article written by me. I have taken an article. The heading of the article, tax planning to managerial decisions. That is the article. I want to convert, yes, tax planning for managerial decision. I want to convert the article into audio form. Wait. Wait. Yes, not GPT. Yes. Then article link. Yes. Then generate speech. I may share the screen once again to you. Stop share. Share. Yes. Share. Yes. Then I have pasted my article link there. Then generate speech. Okay. Wait. It is in the processing. Generating speech. The platform shows generating speech. Please wait. It is the process. It is in the process. Please wait. Generating speech. The platform shows me an instruction that is generating speech. Wait. I think the article is very, very large. Yes. Now you can, I think now you can hear the voice, audio. That is a conversion of my article into audio format. Yes. I think you can hear the voice. That voice from the air tool, not GPT. That means not GPT is a powerful tool. There's so many filter menus available there. Please use not GPT. Then okay, thank you. Goodbye. It is the end of the week 5. I am Dr. Shivakumar Ray, FCMA, your course coordinator and instructor. I am assistant professor Sri Nilakanta Government Arts College, Patambi. I am a fellow member of the Institute of Coast Accounts of India. Besides, I am an approved PhD grade of the Calicut University. Okay. Okay, please listen. Job share.